Hi everyone, I've got my phone in hand. I'm just about to go live on Instagram to do my giveaway. I'm so nervous, anything live, I get really nervous. But I'm going to put my glasses on now. Blake's holding the camera, so he's recording on the camera so I can do this video so you can all see, and it's also going to be live on Instagram for 24 hours. So, you ready for a giveaway? Should we do a giveaway? Let's cue the music! Excited, are you ready for this? I love saying this bit. Ready? Ready? Let's go. Ready? Okay. Home. Home. This. Live. I've got to hold it that way, haven't I? Yeah. Live. Live. Okay, you ready? Oh. Take my glasses off and balance it again. Hi everyone! Put my glasses on. Hello, it's Toby, Disney Queen 6. Hello! We'll wait for some others to join. The Disney Mad Hatter, hello! Disney Lover, Pretty Princess. Oh, hello everyone. Are you nervous? Because I'm really nervous. Hello! My word, I didn't have this many people join on my last giveaway. At the moment, Blake is in the corner and he's recording me on the camera so I can post this up on YouTube as well. Hi! Oh, this is really nerve-wracking. Everyone's joining. It doesn't, 17 people. I was going to say, it doesn't tell me how many people are here, but it does. It's very, very heavy holding the camera like this. Hello, hello. It's just after 6 because I had to make sure. Hello, Dana. I had to make sure that I got everyone who'd entered and everyone who didn't. I'd missed one person off YouTube, and that was Disney Mad Hatter. So apologies for that, but we sorted out a number, so we're all good. Oh, I'm famous, Karen. Yes, Paul. Yeah, I know that's a Paul comment. I wouldn't go that far. Oh, do you like it? It's up. It's up. Disney Redhead. Yes. I've got my Snow White over here, and I've got my castle over there. And we've done Christmas. All our Christmas trees up. Everything's up. It's a bit crazy. Right. So there's 20 of us. I'm going to start because it is 7 minutes past 6. Can everyone hear me okay? Is that all working okay? I think it must be. Hopefully. Hopefully. I am, Country Princess, I am really excited. Yay, you can hear me, yay! Is that good or bad? I can't quite recall. Right, shall we remind ourselves? Shall we remind ourselves as to what it actually is I'm giving away? Hi Sandra, has Toby got you to come along? It's not too early for Christmas. We like a little bit of joy in our house. You can hear me loud and clear. Fab. Right, so let's have a look at what it is the giveaway is for. So I'm just going to switch the camera around. Yeah, and you can see our Christmas decorations at the corner. Right, okay. So, first thing, I've got my box here all ready to post Monday morning. So whoever wins. So the first thing we've got going in there is the advent calendar, the pin advent calendar, the first one Disney has ever released. It's a limited edition of 1,000, and I didn't tell anyone the price of the things when I announced the giveaway because I wanted people to enter because they wanted to win, not for the value. But have a look down there, and it was actually £149. I know it's got euros on the back, but it was actually £149, this calendar, this pin calendar in its own right. So it was a lot of money. I've got one as well, so we can be twinsies and we can both open them at the same time every day, maybe. Also, there's the Mickey Mouse collector's edition calendar going in there as well. So So that's in the box. Will this box be delivered to your house? Will it? Who knows? Right, we've got some chocolate advent calendars. I've got 3. So I've got white chocolate there. I've also got dairy milk chocolate there. And then my favourite is my Galaxy chocolate. Twinning. Oh, you've got the top as well. Oh, that's fabulous. So you excited? I'm excited. Shall we see all the entries? Shall we see? Hi, Yvette! It's really nerve-wracking this. All my friends are coming. It's lovely. Oh, hi, how are you? Right, okay, let's have a look at all the entries. We've actually got 201 entries. So let's go back on here. Right, so these are the entries. So I would just want you to see all the entry numbers. Now, this was open to everybody I knew, apart from obviously Blake, Savannah and Phil. So it could be friends, fellow YouTubers, my wonderful subscribers, everyone who's supporting me get my Instagram and my YouTube channel up and off the floor, so to speak. So that's the first page of entries. Now, as you can see, there is YouTube entries. Then we've got here, and then we've got some Instagram entries. We've got some more Instagram entries there. Yes, 201 entries, Disney Lover. Then we've got a mixture there of YouTube and Instagram. And then that's the last entry there, Mad Hatter 201. So, I'm using a random number generator. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm just going to put numbers above 201 so you can see it work. So you know that, you know, there's nothing untoward going on and it's all live. So let's do that first. So here, I'm going to enter in here 300 because we've only got 200, whoops, and 1 entry. So I'm going to put 300 and then I'm going to put it down here to 500 just as a trial so you can see it work. Okay, and then I'm going to click randomize, and that's how it's going to work, and that there then will be the winning number. Shall we get on with it? Shall we do it? Come on, let's do it. Right, so our first entry number is 1. If it generates a number now and I haven't pressed it, it will be null and void. So let's go here now, and it's 201, that's right, isn't it, Blake?
Yeah.
So let's go back here and see 201 Disney Mad Hatter. You're all nervous. Let's do it. So nervous. You're nervous, Sarah. Okay. Thank you to everyone who's entered. I'm so sorry there's going to be 200 entries that don't win anything. But hopefully I'll make one person's evening. So you ready? You ready? Number 143. I feel like a darts player announcing the score. Let's have a look. Who's 143? Castle and Classroom Adventures on Instagram. You are the winner. Congratulations. So yes, Castle and Classroom Adventures number 143. You've won. I think it might be based in America. I'll send you a message. Congratulations. Thank you everyone who's entered. Thank you for all your support. I've got loads more videos coming up for everyone on YouTube. So yeah, I've got pin mail, pin unboxings. I've got my calendar. I've ordered the new Bibbidi Bobbidi subscription box. Oh yeah, lots of them. So stay tuned. But thank you and congratulations again to Castle and Classroom Adventures. Actually, I believe she might be a teacher over in America in a classroom. So yeah, so congratulations to you. Thank you so much, everybody. And I'll see you very soon. I want to sign out now because I'm really nervous. So see you all soon. Bye for now. Bye. I've got to figure out how to end it. I don't know how to end it. End. There's an end button. I just press end. There we go. Yeah, so Castle and Classroom Adventures number 143. You have won. So thanks everyone. Thanks so much for supporting me. And good luck when I do another giveaway. So bye for now. Bye.